Can you say Parker? Come on, man. You can say it. Say Parker. Why is that so hard? Just say, hey, Parker Lee. Say, hello, Parker Lee. Nice to meet you. Why is that so funny? Say Parker. Mama. I heard Mama. Can you say Parker? Parker? I know about Mama.
Mama.